Hello and welcome to this first overview and tutorial video for Sankey. Let's go straight to the point and create a new case. For now, let's drag and drop a step file with a simple square beam. Next, we select the physics and the problem. Here we are. This is the main view. These two panels can be dismissed. This is important when using Sankey from a mobile device, but that's a topic for a different video. Okay, let's solve a CA problem. Add a condition, magenta, click on the end face. By default this will be fixed, that's fine. Add another one, green, now with a pressure. Solve. Good. This is a first public release, so there are a lot of things to add and improve. We can see that the default mesh is a little bit coarse, so we can go back to the meshing step and create a finer mesh. This histogram tells us the distribution of the element sizes. Not very nice. The height and width is 10 mm, the length is 100 mm, so let's choose a size of 2. Now that's better. Let's go back to the results to see what happens now. Since we fully fixed the magenta phase, we get these stress concentrations at the corners. Let's change that fixation to a symmetry condition, both in the tangential and radial directions. Right now I have to type it. I'll explain what's going on when I type stuff in another video. We can solve again. And now the von Mises stress is identically equal to the pressure. Let's now investigate bending. Instead of pressure, we can set a vertical load. We need to write Fc equals minus 100. What if we wanted both ends fixed? First, fix back the magenta surface. We can do that by fixing the 3 degrees of freedom. Then do the same with the green surface and add a new load at the top. What if we do not want to fully fix the ends but use roller supports? No problem. Instead of applying conditions to faces, let's pick edges. We can start all over again. We can pick edges as we picked faces. But also we can enter the numerical IDs. Again, more details in other videos. This is the same problem that the PrepoMax tutorial series show how to solve in the first place. I'll add a link to that video in the description. It is nice to compare different open source approaches. That was it. Let me know in the comments if you have questions or something you'd like me to discuss in other videos. Thanks for watching.